Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate matching icon sets in Recraft AI. Let's get started. First, launch the Recraft AI app on your phone and tap Create to start a new design project. Then here, write a clear prompt that requests multiple matching icons, like this example here. These are my example prompt. A set of 5 matching weather icons: the sun, clouds, rain, snow, and thunder. Then here, you can add style cues like with outline design or in flat style. Then set the format to vector or flat style. Tap style or preset, then choose illustration, line icon, or vector line. These styles ensure icons are clean and scalable. Then you can use the aspect ratio button. Choose 1:1 or custom grid style, and these ensure icons are generated uniformly together. After that, tap Generate and wait for the Recraft AI to create a consistent icon set. And that's how you're going to generate the icon. And after that, tap Download and choose PNG to use your design, SVG, and whatever you want. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.